Kendall, let's start something great.
Hi Katie, it's Christina from Kendall. Just wanted to say thank you again for talking to me today about the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. This one is the white Blizzard Pearl. It has the roof rack, nice alloyed wheels and rims. I wanted to show you the convenience of the easy touch liftgate here, which helps having a bunch of kiddos to load groceries or any other things that you may need. And I was going to show you the interior from the back. So you have your back seats. It's that leather material that we were talking about. You have your captain's chairs, the easy pass-through for the other children, which gives you plenty of space. I'm going to go ahead and get you inside, and I'll show you some other features in here. Hello Katie! So we're inside the Highlander Hybrid, and I wanted to show you some of the tech features that we have. So you have your blind spot monitoring system. You have your lane departure warning, your easy lift gate. This does have the radar cruise control that we were talking about. All your controls for your radio and your phone on the left hand side, and for your display, center console display, all the controls right here on the right hand side. Here is the center console display, in which this vehicle does come with the navigation that we were talking about. You have your dual climate control, which makes it pretty convenient when you have multiple passengers in the vehicle. This does have the EV mode and the Eco mode and your traction control. Comfort in this vehicle is the nice heated and cooled seats. I wanted to give you a close-up of the actual leather that we were talking about. It's easy cleanup with having your kiddos. It makes it really nice and easy to maintain. Here is the front, and then I'll show you a snippet of the back. So this is the back seats. You have your easy pass through between the two captain's chairs in the middle seat, and then you have your back 3 seats. This is pretty cool. It's easy lift up and easy lift down for your drinks and snacks for the kiddos. And this is your Highlander Hybrid. I will be contacting you shortly to go over all the rest of the details, and I look forward to talking with you soon.
Kendall, let's start something great.